Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me.
Check this little box out, super cute. It's not a fold flat box, but it is a box that you could put like perfume, nail polish, goodies, treats, whole bunch of little things. I had a card that didn't work out, so I saved it and I've used it on this little box. And check out that this flower. I made it with this new washi tape. It's weird, the washi tape, but I love it. It comes off, hang on, let me see if I can't peel up one of the petals. So it's a full petal. It's sticky all over. But what I ended up doing was I used a little dimensional and I stuck I think there's 6 petals on this dimensional, and then the backing of the dimensional was still on, and I sort of dusted it with my embossing buddy so that it neutralized the stickiness. So that's why these petals aren't sticky, but they are kind of, you know, between each other they are. And then I put it on my project, which I think is super cute. So now it actually looks like a real flower. I want to show you how to make the box, not necessarily the flower, but this washi tape is actually overlooked. So I think it's really neat. Okay, so this piece of cardstock is 6.5 by 7 3/4. And this happens to be terracotta tile. On the long side, I'm going to score at 1.5, 5 3/4, and 7 1/4. Flip it round. I've got 1.5, 1.5, 3, 4.5, and 6. I'm going to fold and burnish all of my score lines. All right, so I'm going to cut up on all the score lines, and I'm going to remove this rectangle, that square, and that rectangle. Okay, so let's figure this out together. So the seam is at the back. So this is the lid. This will be the front here. So I'm going to remove that front. Which means this is going to be a side and this is going to be a side. Right? So we're going to wedge those out. And we're just going to wedge this out just a tad. Yeah. All right, for this, let's see here. This is the back. This is the front. So these two, the sides, can be whittled down a little bit to remove bulk. In order to make this a fold flat box, all you would need would be another 1/4 of an inch like this so that it actually has a tab. So all right, I'm going to put some adhesive along the back. I'm going to feel it with my thumb. Oops. and I can see that I didn't cut the paper 100% straight. So I'm going to remove that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the back in first. I'm going to put the sides in, and then all I have to do is put adhesive. I call it a adhesive U because it looks like a U. And then ta-da! Okay, so if you want to cover this with designer series paper, you need, or pattern paper, you need 1 1/4 by 3 3/4. So that's what this is, a little bit. There is a piece of white actually on this, and like I said, this was a card that didn't work well. So I have the same sort of thing here, and you need four of those. So let's see, I think, yeah, I'm gonna match it on this side. It's nice to be able to use your own pattern paper for a change. All right, and then for the top, it's 1 1/4 by 1 1/4. Ta-da! I absolutely need to have one of those. Yeah, I'll go with the copper one. Cute. These are called the designer elements. Anyway, that is my share for today. Hope you liked it. Talk to you later. Bye. Bye for now.
Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.